What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Yacht Addiction YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be touring a gorgeous Italian luxury day boat slash weekender boat. This is a Pardo 38 presented by the Chesapeake Yacht Center. Now Pardo Yachts is an Italian luxury yacht builder and they have a very impressive lineup. And guys, I think you're going to really enjoy this one. You'll see a little bit of the profile from right here. Let me tell you about this boat. Overall, in length, it's 39 feet and 7 inches. It has a beam at its widest point of 11 feet and 8 inches, and it also has a 2 foot and 10 inch draft. Now in this specific one, you have an upgraded engine option. This has 3 Mercury Verado engines. So these are outboard engines, they're 300 horsepower each. And I'm gonna show you all the different engine options in 1 second. We have some serious performance, serious speed on this day boat. But like I said, you're gonna find luxury touches all throughout. Here really quick, you can pause if you need to, but here is a spec sheet. And you can also see all of those different engine options. As mentioned, this has the triple 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engines. And of course, once again, we can see them right here. Also back here, you do have the little bathing platform ledges, and you can see the holes here. That's to add on a boarding ladder. So you can safely get on from the back of the boat if you're in the water. You can see the gate across right here. And we're actually gonna make our way on board from the other side. So you'll see right back here, you have your dining area. And this is a teak table that's expandable. So we can fold this over if we need to, or you can set it up fully for dining. And then you have an adjustable seating area right here. Currently, you can see how it's set up. You have the bench seating forward and aft. But this table can also be lowered. You can see the massive single leg right there. So this can be lowered down. You drop an info cushion in place. So then you get a much larger sun pad right back here in this area. These cushions are also adjustable. So if you're underway, you can have all your guests facing forward. So I really like the flexibility there, especially on a yacht under 40 feet. Another thing you'll notice, you have the JL audio speakers and subwoofer. So this can obviously make a great party boat in addition to a high-speed day boat or a weekender. You have a carbon T-top over the helm station and the galley area. And this has glass panels installed as well. So this gives you a really high quality look, and it's finished to a very high quality as well. And then underneath the seats, actually, you have 2 little refrigerators. So that's a nice little touch there. And then on the opposite side of that, you do have the galley. So you have your sink and the grill. You have another refrigerator. Sorry about that noise, guys. I think the boat show just kicked off. We're actually at the inaugural DC boat show, so my local boat show closest to me. You can see the extra storage here. And once again, I think this is a little ice maker, or ice box at least, and then you have the additional storage. In this area, you'll also find a hatch. If you had some inboard options, this is where you'd access them. But because we have the outboards, here, this is just a massive storage area. You'll see that info cushion right here. That's for the table that we just covered. But then right back here, I don't know if you can see it, you also have the generator back there. You'll also notice side boarding gates. And Pardo actually makes these custom fenders that can slot right into this section. So that's a neat little touch. And you'll see neat little finishes, like they have the Pardo yachts embossed right on this stainless steel piece. And same thing on the cleats. You'll see these are really high quality. And they also add these steps. So if you're coming on from the side, not through the side door, you don't have a massive drop or step down that most people couldn't do. You just have an easy step right into the boat. All right, so stepping forward to the helm station, you have 3 lift bolster seats. So you can lean against these, or you can set these down if you want to sit down. Let me get that shot from the other side, in case you were bothered by my shadow. And then you'll see, of course, the helm station. You have the stabilization system controls. This is a joystick with a sky hook. So this will take the outboards in conjunction with the bow thruster, which you have right here. And you can control the yacht. It's very easy to maneuver. And the sky hook system, it's like a remote anchoring system, which will keep you in place. And then you have the throttle control for the engines, all of your switches. And you also have twin Simrad multifunction displays. You can see the carbon fiber inserts right here next to the Simrad screens, and your compass forward. So like I said, this is a weekender as well. You can spend a weekend on board. You have this single piece windshield. But before we head inside to the accommodations, up here, let's check out the bow area. You can see you have another sun pad in this square right here. This is for a hatch for the cabin below. I'm gonna throw up a picture or two of the profile. I know we got a little profile shot in the beginning. You can see just the beautiful lines. I'm a big fan of how these yachts look. Some people don't like them. They're a little too aggressive for them, but I personally think it looks really good. And most of the Pardo yachts in this lineup have a deep V hull. And then if we turn around, of course you have speakers built in as well. But down here, 2 more cleats. And then underneath this hatch, you'll find a massive storage locker. So you have your windlass anchor system, additional fenders, your chain locker, all right, so now it's time to head inside. I think you're gonna be pleasantly surprised with this one. Let's flip our shoes off. Don't worry, we do have non-marking soles on our shoes, so it's fine, we're allowed to wear them on the deck here. But stepping inside, of course, we'll take them off. But guys, check this out. You have full standing headroom. You have lovely little wood accent strips in the ceiling. You have plenty of natural light as well. Then if we turn around, you'll see a little bit of storage right here. This door is to the head. You have all of this additional storage right here. Another control for the Fusion stereo system. And then you have your switch panel located right here. So you can sleep 2 in the owner's suite, or the main room, you should say. In this area, I think there is an option to close this area off if you want to, but this one is just open. You do have to crawl down, but it's still finished to a really high degree. So you can sleep 2 more in this area. And a smart little touch from Pardo, they cut out the ceiling right here. I'm gonna stand up and show you actually, so you can fully stand up. Here, we'll see the windows that face the helm station. And I'm gonna lean back so it's not as echoey. But if you need to get dressed or change right in this area, you can stand up because of this cutout. So that's a nice little touch from Pardo, even though you don't have full standing headroom in the space. And as we crawl forward, you'll also see you have a large drawer underneath the bed. And then here, we have the head. Just one on the yacht, obviously. And this is a wet room. So you have the shower hooked up on the wall right here. I'm very impressed with the space you have in here. You wouldn't always expect on a yacht in the 30-something foot range to have so much space. Looks like the VHF radio is still on. Sorry about that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I almost forgot to mention the performance of the engines. With this triple 300 horsepower engine setup, you have a top speed. It's blazing fast at 46 knots. You can cruise comfortably at 33 knots, and at that cruising speed, you'll get around 300 nautical miles of range. Of course, you can drop it down and go much further. But I mean, if you have that type of performance, I'm trying to go fast. But let me know how you'd use it in the comment section down below. Thank you to the Chesapeake Yacht Center for granting me access on board. Let me know what you think of this one in the comment section, and we will catch you next time.